How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing app to your Firestick, which you can use to watch live TV as well as live sports free of charge. And the whole setup of this app is actually really easy. First of all, you will have to get the app called Downloader. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it. And now here's the app which you need to do to get on your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So what we gotta do next is click on the back button on your remote, and now you will see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So I go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, open it, and here's the Downloader. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate Downloader, and open it up on your device. So we open Downloader, and what you have to do next is go to the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 17561. So once again, 17561, that's the code you have to enter. Then you just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now this website has opened up for us, so we scroll down until you see the download for Android button. Let's click on download for Android, and now the app has started downloading for us. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Then you have to click install and just make sure that the app gets properly installed to your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now let's go back to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, we will open it. And here at the bottom you will find the app which we just downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access that app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to go and open the app. So there it is, let me open it. And now here in the app, finally, you get access to loads of live TV as well as live sports channels. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in this amazing app. But in your case, of course, it is not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.